Hey everybody, welcome back. I'd like to introduce you to the newest journal I just finished. This is my Boho Grungy Botanical Journal. She is 5.5 by 9. She has a 2-inch spine, super chunky. She's got all kinds of beautiful trims and beads and all kinds of stuff. I can't wait to show her off to you. She has 153 pages and a folio inside. Yeah, let's just show her off. This is one of our first tags. Some of my trims come from Vignac Embellishments on Etsy. And I have a pocket up front. I'm calling it the Grungy Botanical Journal because of the digital kit I'm using from Sweet Pea Curiosities. It is the junk journal and the folio Grungy Botanical kit. Let's open her up and show you all the good stuff. So I've used a lot of different fabrics and trims. I've dyed different papers to match the color scheme. There is embossed tags. Here is the folio I've made. It is a simple folio. It's got a magnet closure. And here is the beautiful digital kit from Sweet Pea Curiosities. I've used some Edith Holden pages. Here's some more hand-dyed papers. Embossed pages. Coffee dyed. Edith Holden. Here is some mulberry paper that's got some botanicals embedded into it. It's beautiful. Here is the tag. I enjoyed making this book. Some more hand-dyed papers. Some more trims. Here is some handmade paper I made. Dictionaries. Napkin applique. And tags. Journal cards. I use sari silk. Here's some beads. Here is, I used the new Tim Holtz mica spray for the Halloween collection. It worked out perfect for this. Some more hand-dyed. And this was a wildflower illustration book. Some more identification books. I used a paint chip. Some wax seals. Look how pretty this digital is. Here is a vellum envelope. Some more hand-dyed. Some more homemade paper, Edith Holden. Some doilies. Here's another large tag, embossed. Some more homemade paper with some napkin applique on. Identification book. Some more of the digital. Butterfly specialty page. some beads, charms from Tim Holtz, some more of that mica spray. And here is a really cool wax seal. And that wax seal I got from Tercy Arts on Etsy. I love it. It's so cute. I think that's Suki Art that I got those trim ideas from. Some more digital. Edith Holden. Some more trim cards. Homemade paper. And these cards are from the Greenhouse Vintage Identification books. I made like really cute little tag envelope holder for it. And another paint chip. And here's an envelope with a little card in it. And it's magneted. Here's another one of those mulberry pages. I just love this trim. It is from Vanax embellishments as well. A coffee dyed card. Just another card, a little leaf. Here's another trim. Here's just a little envelope with a card tag. Some mulberry paper, applique, another card. And this card is on velvet. And there's the back. It's just amazing, isn't she? Well, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being here.